As a leading IoT solution provider, Hikvision has also developed comprehensive products and solutions for a broad range of vertical markets, including commercial LED displays. Since 2014, Hikvision has invested in 8 surface manufacturing line for intelligent LED displays in Tonglu, Zhejiang Province. Here in the Tonglu production base, the complete LED display manufacturing line will unfold before your eyes, including the mounting, conveying, assembling, and testing processes. Light panels, the hardware foundation of large LED screens, are also the entire production line's top priority. Production of a light panel starts with solder paste printing. Once this is complete, only after passing a fully automated inspection can the surface mount stage begin. Resistors, capacitors, and driver chips are mounted on the back of light panels entering the surface mounting line, while SMD LED modules are mounted on the front. In order to improve surface mount efficiency, Hikvision has invested in 8 surface mount production lines. Each one has 5 surface mount devices imported capable of mounting up to 200,000 SMD LEDs per hour. To avoid component drift, surface-mounted light panels pass a first optical inspection. Light panels that pass inspection then need processing in the reflow oven. Thermal softening and cooling doubly guarantee the adhesiveness of the SMT patches. The reflow oven has 10 temperature zones in total. The temperature of each is held stable in a different range, with temperature differences controlled to within plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius. After the reflow is complete, the light panel enters a second optical inspection to ensure each of its solder joints is qualified. Then, light panels, main assemblies for large screens, are transported to the cabinet assembly by a Hikvision smart logistics robot. Automated cabinet assembly equipment securely installs light panels and cabinets. The assembled cabinets still need final testing. Automated equipment quickly delivers the cabinets to aging racks, dozens of meters high, for aging tests. After various levels of testing, the large screens can finally be released only after testing by professional staff. With more than 40 international subsidiaries and branch offices and 4 overseas logistics centers, Hikvision always takes quick responses to meet the needs of our customers and deliver professional services.